Welcome to dotcom.builders. In this video, I will share with you how to create a subdomain on Bluehost. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log in to your Bluehost account. Then make sure from this hosting page, click on this CPanel button to access the CPanel of your Bluehost account. Now scroll down to domains and click on domains. Click on create a new domain button. Now fill in your new subdomain, for example blog.benstutorial.com, and now click on submit. It can take a moment to create a new subdomain. Your new subdomain, you have successfully created the new subdomain. Let's give this new subdomain a visit. As you see, the certification error, you see this error because the SSL certificate is not completely installed, which is usual and normal. You can just keep refreshing this page after or verify it after some minutes. Now let's go back to the cPanel. Check for the SSL installing status. As you see, it is not yet installed. Here, click on this Run Auto SSL. And after, I think, around 2 minutes to 5 minutes, my Auto SSL was installed for me. Now, let's refresh this page. If your website is still not accessible via the HTTPS, this is totally normal. Just give it a little bit of time. Sometimes your browser may have cache that still displays for you. And don't worry, just wait and refresh this after 10 minutes up to 1 hour. And this is how to add a subdomain in Bluehost. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.